What's up guys, hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and welcome again for another video. And today we'll be preparing my grilled pork for this year's Mother's Day. We bought 2 kilograms of pork belly and pork chop. Now we will be making our marinade. Season the pork with some salt, pepper, calamansi, diced onions, diced garlic, some vinegar, soy sauce, and add some brown sugar to complement the taste, and marinate it overnight. Now we will preheat the grill and let Kevin do his magic.
Thank you, Kev. Hi, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, te.
Thank you.
Uy! Uy! Nanay nag-testing!
Happy Mother's Day, te. Ina, tatay na ba ka? Happy Mother's Day sa mga ina.
We also have some parrotfish or mol-mol. Everyone brought something for the dinner table and now it's time to eat. And now it's time for our shoutouts. Nice kajer, weh, ha ha ha, from Philo Natulad. Thank you Philo for supporting our channel. Watching here in Muscat, Oman as always, waiting for your vlogs at Big Daddy Rocks. And I'm thankful for you kay makawala sa homesick in your own special way to see the beauty of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. #BizDac. Thank you, Call Milk Clubs and Poland. Don't worry, Call, we will create more videos for you to watch in our channel. Nice one at Big Daddy Rocks from Grocery Barangay. Thank you always, Mommy, for supporting our channel. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. So bye for now and see you again on our next video.